So this will be our second attempt to refactor this simple header, footer, and content area using Cursor AI. And then what I want to do this time, first time we did refactor this navigation and then used a bit like advanced dictionary, and this time what I want to do, I want to ask Cursor AI to replace these components from headless UI with their Tailwind CSS alternative, so we can remove dependence on this headless UI. So let's do this. So I will use Composer this time. Select the part that I want to refactor, also included here. So it will have a reference to the page. It will have a reference to code snippet, and I want to also add reference to this part. So let me type here: replace all headless UI/React components with their Tailwind CSS alternatives. As a result, I want to remove dependency on the following inputs. So let's see how this works. Still generating. So we are on this file, so I will not be clicking tab. So this time it takes a bit longer than our previous tasks. Okay, so it introduced use state. I'm assuming for mobile open and is profile menu open, which is interesting. Okay, it is actually done. So let me move back to the page. Use state. And its use state in this React Hook only works in a client component. So let's it's okay to add this. So let me see if I can add it manually. Yeah. And now this is a only client component. For now it's okay. I wouldn't put this in on the whole page, but this is something we can address later on when we split these items into separate components. But for now this is all in the same page, so it is fine. And then let's see. So this works. It doesn't close when I click on the other part of the page. I'm not sure if I want to ask this to be fixed, because this will take a bit more context. Let's see how this works for the mobile view. Let me do this responsive. So now we have this here for mobile view. And again, so it doesn't close if I click on somewhere else. Maybe we can try to ask this. So what I will do, I will accept current changes. They look okay, but try to ask one more thing. When user clicks on other part of the page, profile, how does it called it? Let's see. This state is mobile menu open, and this profile. So we can go profile menu and mobile menu should automatically close. So it introduces a reference, so we can address these components from somewhere else. And what it does is use effect. Yeah, this is probably not so good approach, right? So let's see. It works, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a nice approach. But at least it tried, and I should say it's not the, like, probably I wouldn't keep it like this and then try to refactor at some point. But for now, at least it did what we asked it, right? So it did UI is a bit also moved, which I think we can fix later. I want to know why it. Yeah, so because of this absolute. Okay, so I'm not sure if I want to keep this version. It's just like for demonstration purposes. I think it does good job into like going into certain direction. So you can think, okay, I can use state here or use effect here, even though this is if you are just starting with React or Next.js, maybe this is not the first topics you need to pick up, but at least it will give you idea. Okay, this is a thing that I can use to achieve certain tasks. So it is good from this perspective, but it's not always a simple solution for what we ask. As I said, I will keep it just for the sake of reference, and this will be accessible via a separate branch if we want to play out with this, and all links will be in the description for this video.